From the outside, this ZR2 may look like a standard lift, wheels and tyre package, but it's got an impressive 12-volt setup inside. It's got the air on board. There's been many hours from the team inside the workshop, as well as huge hours with the processors from the team behind the scenes as well, to get a product and build looking as good as this one here. Now, before we get into the underseat battery setup and what's involved on this ZR2, we want to take you behind the scenes in the big dog process and what happens on the customer journey before your build comes into the workshop. First step is getting in contact with us. Simply fill out the form on our website or give us a call. Next, you'll hear from the sales team, like Oscar. Check out the haircut. If you make it past Oscar, we'll jump on a phone call or an in-house scoping meeting to discuss your build options. Next, your parts are ordered and put upstairs on your own individual pallet. Not all items fit on a pallet. Look at the size of this tyre wall. Next, your pallet's brought down to the workshop bay and the build can commence. The day has finally come. You'll drop off your keys, we'll check the vehicle in, we'll get cracking with the build. Usually, we start off with the suspension. Next is wheels and tyres. They can make or break your vehicle build. After the hoist, the 12-volt and other accessories are next. Once the team's finished, every vehicle gets a quality assurance check. Every vehicle's then test driven for final performance check, steering wheel straight, and we're good to go. At the end, we also give it a quick detail, and we can also offer a range of paint protection options. At the end, we'll do a handover of your vehicle, hand over those keys, and you get to take your awesome looking American truck home. Let's also look at the features of this awesome looking ZR2 behind us with a quick walk around. This thing looks amazing. The dark ash color, it's actually the first one of the ZR2s that I've seen here in Australia with this color. It just looks amazing. In every single angle, there's different shades of purples, blues. At nighttime, it'd look black. And as you can see, awesome looking slight leveling kit on this one. It's got the Method double black wheels. So these are matte black 305s, 18x9, 0 offset. These are HD wheels for these vehicles, so they will suit the GVM upgrades if that's what you're chasing as well. We've got the Dirt King upper control arms for this particular one with the peak performance suspension upgrades in there. So utilizing the factory shock absorbers that come on these ZR2s for this build. And then we've also done a front bumper spacer kit, which is a big dog option. That just allows these tyres to clear inside. As you can see, still got clearance on the 35, 12.5, 18 Yokohama GO16s. Again, these tyres have been proven to be really good off-road, on-road. They've got the high load rating at a 128Q. I'll show you around the back here. We've got the simple roll and lock tonneau cover on these. Simple option, nice and neat. The GME UHF XRS 370 combo pack up on there, so that's got the 680mm antenna. Under the rear with the suspension upgrade, we've also done a triple bellow leaf helper airbag kit. So manual inflation tabs at the back, but as you can see, this one looks amazing from the outside, but it's what's on the inside is what makes this one a little bit different to some of the other ZR2s on the channel so far. You've seen the underseat battery setup in the CHEV 2500s before. This same setup can be put in the ZR2, the 1500 LTZ. It's got massive 200 amp DCS Lithium battery, 2000 watt Enerdrive inverter, got the fuse box under there, Enerdrive DC-DC charger, so when the vehicle's driving, this is charging under the back seat. The beauty with this setup as well is we've got multiple fuse outputs, got a grey Anderson inside the cab if you did want to run a fridge inside temporarily, and then the outputs in the tub. As we swing around to there, you'll see all the multiple options of power outputs that we offer. You can have different fridges in the back with different outputs. We can do multiple USB locations, Anderson plugs, pretty much whatever power setup you want. This 200 amp DCS Lithium with the 2000 watt inverter definitely gives you pretty much any option. It is the same size as any canopy or good canopy setups. 200 amp lithium, 240 volts out of the 2000 watt inverter. You can do pretty much anything as well. So coffee machines, air fryers, induction cookers, and you've also got the low voltage disconnect with the Victron little unit under there to make sure that the battery doesn't hit 0% and it's going to kick in for that charge and be ready for the next trip. These electric tonneau covers, one press of a button, definitely makes getting in and out of the back of your setup super easy. The benefits on most of these American trucks have got the grab handle, the little step in the back of these bumpers as well makes getting in and out of these vehicles super easy. And the rear end setup on this one is quite simple. Got the massive Dometic 95 litre fridge here, tied down on a couple rails. We've got the Anderson plugs, grey Anderson for output. We've got another one up the front there to run the fridge. You've got solar input from your red Anderson plug there to the Enerdrive DCDC under the back seat. We've also got a SIG port as well as dual USB there as well. So you can charge your phones in multiple locations. These Dometic fridges are proven to be really, really good. And what a setup this is in the back. Don't forget about the air on board as well. So we've gone and installed the ARB Twin Compressor on the Big Dog Builds bracket up the front there. This one has got onboard air control. Underneath the center console, as you can see, we've got the up down buttons for the airbags. We've got the little gauge there to show you the pressure in the left and right bag. Simply turn on your compressor, do it from the comfort of the front seat. And you've also got your air outlet at the back as well. ARB do a neat little air outlet at the back here. As you can see, you've got your manual inflation valves, both left airbag, right airbag. Pretty much don't need this once you've got the compressor on board. Simply turn that on up the front there. That pressurizes through the tank. You can use this for your air outlets, pump up your tires, pump up your inflatables, and we can't miss the Jenny hitch on the back as well. 4.5 ton torsion hitch on this setup. You've got your AT tongue there ready for your DO35, DO45, and then your locking pins as well are a must from Jenny Hitch. And on the other side there, we've got a couple Anderson plugs for your tow setup as well. So a grey 50 amp Anderson plug, as well as a constant powered red one, which can also double up as a solar input to the battery under the bonnet as well. So nice neat setup on the back here, ready to tow whatever you want on the back here. It's got a 4,200 kilo tow rating on the back of these ZR2s, I believe. Air outlet, power under the bonnet. You can't get any better than this sort of setup on your ZR2. If you like this ZR2 build, guys, you're gonna love this one here, and you're gonna be seeing double in this video here as well.